In today's video, I will teach you how to make an event poster using Canva's Magic Design. Let's get started. Creating an event poster doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With Canva's Magic Design, you can generate polished poster layouts in seconds. This is perfect for concerts, workshops, parties, conferences, and more. To start, log into your Canva account, and from the homepage, click Canva AI to open Canva's Magic AI tools. And here you'll see a text box where you can type what you want Canva to create. Now click the image icon and make sure the AI is set to Magic Design mode, which generates ready-to-use design layouts instead of standalone images. Now click Style to browse different style categories such as cinematic, creative, fashion, vector, and more. And make sure to choose a style that matches the vibe of your event, for example, cinematic for concerts or film events, creative for art shows or workshops, minimal for corporate and professional events, or bold or playful for parties and social events. You can also skip selecting a style and describe the look directly in your prompt. And now in the text box, describe the event poster that you want to generate, and be clear about what the event is, who it's for, and the overall mood. You can include details like event type, target audience, mood or theme, color preferences, or any must-have text. You can also click the mic icon to dictate your prompt instead of typing. And here are some prompt writing tips for event posters. Now, choose an aspect ratio based on how you'll use the poster. For standard event poster, 3x4 is a safe and popular choice, but feel free to adjust as needed. And once your prompt and settings are ready, press enter and let Canva's Magic Design do its thing. Then Canva will generate 4 event poster designs per prompt. So click through each option to compare layouts, colors, and text placement. And if you like a design, you can either open it in Canva's editor to adjust text, colors, and images, or resize it for social media or print. And if it looks low quality, you can click Boost Resolution. And if it doesn't look quite right, you can refine your prompt by changing the theme, colors, or tone. Then you can generate new options. And once you're happy with the design, select your favorite poster and click Download to save it. Canva's Magic Design makes creating event posters fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. With a clear prompt and the right aspect ratio, you can generate eye-catching posters that are ready to share or print in minutes. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.